Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. On the iPhone 15 you have the USB-C port, so never use metal objects to clean the connector on this device. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So what we need to do? So first, of course, we need to lock our device. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's very easy to do only because toothbrush is the best tool to clean your iPhone's USB-C connector because it's completely safe for your connector. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you!